Okay, where's my... Okay. Shrink this down. Okay, so if you go to lesson 10...
We can redo it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I don't have any of my answers from yesterday.
That's okay.
I have the quiz open.
Okay. Let me know when you're ready for number 3.
I'm ready.
Okay. So number 3 is 16.45.
Okay.
And then number 4 is x bar is a point estimator of mu.
Okay, it was like, you are in this video call, and I was like, no, I'm not. Okay, how's everybody doing tonight?
Good.
Sorry, I was on the phone, and I was like, look, I have to go. I was like, my group's calling me, bye. So I hurry up and hang up on this person and then hop on my computer. So, Cody, did you figure out how to do the margin of error? Was it looking for the z-score? I mean, the z-star?
Yeah, so I think that's what we did wrong is we didn't do the z-star because I went back like right afterwards. I was like, oh, I'm really frustrated. Like, what did we do wrong? So I went back through and I watched the videos, and Chromar like walked us through like to how to get the z-star and like how you can change just part of the equation when it asks for like 99, like when it wants it wider. So yeah, right now we're just going through lesson 10 because I went through and did it last night.
Oh, okay. Let me just pull up my quiz really quickly and I can join in with you guys.
Okay.
It's just that my computer is like really slow because at home, like my internet is a little bit slower than it was at my former campus. So you have to bear with me for a second.
That's okay.
If I start doing too much, the bandwidth is like, what are you doing to me? So
yeah, especially since we're doing a video.
Exactly. So okay. So what question are you guys
on? So I'll go back to number 3. So number 3 is 16.45.
Okay.
And number 4 is x bar is a point estimator of u.
Yeah.
So number 5, 526.
It's 526?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, because it was just saying the point.
And then on number 6, it was 27.685.
27.685.
Mm-hmm. And our answer that we were just barely off some. So.
Oh, okay.
And number 7 is 498.315. 498.315. Mm-hmm. Okay. And then 8 is 553.685. 553? Uh-huh. 685. Yep. Okay. And 9 is decrease.
Oh no, yeah, decrease, and the other one is increase.
Right.
Okay.
So 11 is 246.
246.
Uh-huh. And number 12 is 99, 002.
99,002. Okay.
And then 13 is 122, 998. 998.
Okay.
And then 14 is all of the above.
Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go over the answers with you again just to make sure I got them all right.
Okay.
So number 3 is 16.45.
Mm-hmm.
Number 5 is 526.
Yes.
Number 6 is 27.685.
Yes.
7 is 498.315.
Yes.
Number 8 is 553.685.
Yeah.
And then number 11 is 246.
Mm-hmm.
Number 12 is 99,002.
Yep.
And then 13 is 122,998.
Yep.
Okay. I just want to make sure because sometimes, like, I type it in wrong and then I'm like, how did I get the different answer than everyone else? So, how do you do the upper and lower limits? Is it the same where you do the x bar plus or minus whatever the p-value was?
Let me look at my notes. Because in the video he shows the equation, and so then you just like to get that you like add like the two together to get the upper.
But what do you add together? Do you add the margin of error or x bar?
So you add the one with the square root.
Oh, okay. And then you add or minus.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So when in his video, he does a lot of like mumbo jumbo talking. So it's like the very last like 3 minutes of his video for lesson 10. It shows you what to do. It shows the equation.
Oh, okay. I'll go in there and look at it because, yeah, you're right. I don't stick that long. If I don't feel like I'm getting anything, I kind of turn it off. So.
Mm-hmm.
You said the last 3 minutes?
Yeah, it's like the last 3 minutes.
Okay. That works for me. Okay. Do we know if Gabriel is joining us tonight?
I am not sure. I haven't heard from him. I heard from him last night, and I was like, hey, we are going to meet at 11. Or not at 11, at 6.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see what the last thing he said.
Because, like, I just don't want him to get a 0 for this meeting, you know, if he can help it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he didn't say in his email if he would be able to make it or not.
Oh, okay. Well,
can we try and call him?
Yeah, sure. I'm trying to like sit in the like.
How do you do that?
Try to call another person.
Uh-huh.
Here, let me see if I can try and call him. Where is it? Okay, so. Oh, I think you clicked in the top corner. No, that's to invite people. Yep, I definitely don't know how to do it. Never mind. I don't know if you can add people. I don't know how. Oh, okay.
And last night I went ahead and started working on this lesson 11, and because we have to use SPSS.
Oh, yay.
Mm-hmm. So at least it makes it a lot easier to get all the answers.
Yeah, because they're just all right there.
Mm-hmm.
Assume that Sigma is unknown.
What one are you working?
Question number 3.
Okay, so we assume sigma is unknown, yeah. That's what I think. I haven't submitted
Well,
mine
that's
yet.
what I saw, but I'm not sure.
Mm-hmm. I think Gabe tried to answer. I don't know. It looked like it popped him up and then it like popped him down.
So for number 4, we put no, right?
Right, no.
And it says, what is the value of t? Is that s?
T is... Becca collected a sample size of n. X.
Oh, t is x bar minus mu over s divided by the square root of n. Never mind. I lied.
I'm not sure if this is right yet because I haven't submitted. I got 1.5.
Here, I'll do the math while she's trying to add him, and I'll tell you if I got the same thing.
Okay.
I'm trying to do math without a calculator.
Oops.
Everybody knows that in America we do math with calculators.
Yes.
Oh, that's right. Crap.
Sorry, it hung me up.
Huh?
Sorry, it like dropped me.
Oh no, you're good. So, okay.
Yeah, I don't think Gabe is going to come. I don't know. Because you tried to call him, so.
That's good too.
Okay.
So, when you put s and n together, like after you did the square root of 9, and you got 3, did you do 6 multiplied by 9 and get 18 in the denominator? And then divide 3 into 18?
Yes. Yeah, did you get 1.5?
What I got was, when I did 3 divided by 18,
Mm-hmm.
I got 0.166666667.
Maybe I did it wrong last night.
But you probably didn't. What exactly did you do?
Last night, so will you say that equation again so I can write it down on these new
So
notes?
I did x bar
Mm-hmm.
minus mu divided over s with the square root, multiplied by the square root of n. So I put 11 minus 8 in the top in the numerator and got 3. And then for the denominator, it's 6 times the square root of 9. So then you do the square root of 9, which is 3.
Mm-hmm.
And so 6 times 3 is 18. And then I did 3 divided by 18. And I got 0.16.
Mm-hmm.
So technically 0.17.
So what number did you put in that was S?
6.
6 times.
Because it says S is 6 right here.
Mm-hmm.
Where are we on? We're on 5.
And the n is 9. Close that.
Well, the square root, but then you gotta take the square root, so 3.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, when we do it that way, I am getting 0.1666666. So I think I did it wrong.
Because, like, when I look at the wiki,
Mm-hmm.
the wiki tells me t is equal to x bar minus mu all over s. Oh, no. It's wrong. We're supposed to do 6 divided by 3. So that's 2.
Uh-huh.
So then we get 3 divided by 2, which equals 1.5. No, you did it right.
Okay.
You did it right. See, that's why I wanted to make sure before we changed it. So yeah, it's 1.5. I need to write my lines better, because then I don't understand them.
Okay, are you guys ready to input all that stuff into SPSS?
Yes.
Okay.
Yay, I'm so excited to put all this in there.
Do you want me to read it to you? Because it's not letting me copy it.
Sure, let me see if my computer will open up SPSS. Just a second. Because it may not let me because I have all this going on.
It's going to take mine a little bit to open it up, so just a sec.
Well, we might be waiting 1,000 years for this to pop up. Shut up.
Yeah, my SPSS is taking a long time.
Same here. I'm looking at the thing that says IBM.
Same.
Malia, will your SPSS work?
Okay. Would it let you copy and paste? It won't let me copy and paste.
So you go to compare means, analyze compare means, and then one sample t-test, right?
Yes. But first, I would go ahead and do explore, and then I would do the t-test. Because I think that's how he did it in the video. I'm gonna kill this guy. Uh-huh.
Okay, good. So then, so Cody, you said to go to the, just, where did you say go? Because I thought it was analyze, compare means, and then one sample t-test.
Yeah, you can still do it that way. It'll still give you the answer. It'll still give us a T.
Okay, good. Did you name the test? Oh, she has to name the test variable first. I see what you're trying to say.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Sorry. Malia, go name it first. And I think she does that in data, right? Or is it transform?
Um,
No, I can't pull up my
no, if you go to the compare means and one sample t-test, we need to know the test value.
Wouldn't our test value be whatever the null and alternative hypothesis is?
Yes.
That's 98.6. Yeah, so put 98.6 in the test value.
I'm still typing all my answers in.
Oh, yours finally popped up?
Yeah.
That's where I need to get more bandwidth. Well, once you name the data, which I think you do in transform. So what is X bar? What is it looking for? I'm confused. What are we talking about? Because we're only finding, so X bar should be already on there. If I'm looking at it like, I think X bar is like T. No. X bar is, oh wow. It should say X bar on there, right?
I think I'm gonna lose you guys.
What is the definition of X bar? It's the test statistic, isn't it?
Yes.
So the test value? Yeah. So 98.6. wiki, it has the Nolan alternative hypothesis, and then in the temperature data set, it will have like X bar is equal to this, S is equal to this, and N is equal to whatever it's equal to.
So I pulled up the video, and it says compute the test statistic, and then determine p-value based on test statistic. So the test statistic, it gives it to us in this one, doesn't it?
No, we're not giving the test statistic. We're giving the Nolan alternative hypothesis and the level of significance.
Okay, we need to. So to get the test statistic, it says z equals x bar minus the mu O divided by O, and then divide that by the square root of n. So z equals.
But we don't have any of these numbers.
X bar. Usefully. Let me run this. Analyze, comparing, sample T. Let's change that to 0.5. Let me see in this video.
So I think X bar is going to be 98.220.
Mm-hmm.
And then S is going to be 0.922.
Right. And then the t-score did you get negative 1.843?
Yeah.
Okay.
How do you calculate the p-value then?
Oh, so the p-value is given to us. It is on, it says sig 2. That's what the p-value is.
What does it say?
0.041.
So we rejected the hypothesis. So wait, so the p-value is 0.041?
Yeah, Because what test value did you put in?
98.6.
And there are 20 numbers there, right? Oh, I see. I messed one number up. On 19, I put the wrong. Hold on. Let me close this. I put just 8. So the second to last number. I don't want to print the page, you dumb thing.
What was the p-value of the sigma?
98.7. Yeah.
I got 20.
Let me run the test one more time now that I have the right information put in. Bingo. Oops. So, because that's for a two-tailed one, and this is only a one-tailed one. So you, it says sig. It says sig. So on yours, I bet it says 0.081. Then you divide that in half, and then you round that to 0.041. Because that one was for it. It does it for a two-tailed, so you always had to divide it.
So it's 0.04.
Yep.
So we reject the null hypothesis.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and so like on the software, when it says what is S, S is the standard deviation. I could share my screen and show you, I guess. If you need me to. Are you guys still there?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, oh no, I lost it. I can try and share my screen and show you.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
I'm starting on the next one.
Okay. How do you share the screen? The 3 dots. Let's look. Okay. Okay, so you guys can see my screen now, right?
Yes, I can.
Okay, so I'll pull up SPSS. I'll close this test out. And so here's all the data that we put in. I wasn't getting the right answer at first as because I put the wrong answer. So you just go analyze, compare means, one sample t-test, move that over, and the test value is 98.6. Okay, now it's going to take a little...
Did you do anything in the options? Or did you just press OK?
I didn't do anything in the options. I just pressed OK.
Okay, good.
So it's going to take probably a couple seconds to pop up the answers.
You're good. Mine still says SPSS statistics in the front.
Oh wow. Okay, so on this on my screen, so the t-value is right there, and S is the standard deviation, so that's 0.922. That's right there. Our mean was the 90. It's 98.22, and the mean on here this symbol is S for the standard deviation.
Huh?
And X bar, so X bar means the mean, so that's 98.22, and S means standard deviation, and that's 0.922. So see, it's all right there. And then to get the p-value is, it's sig right here, but this is for a 2-tailed test and we did a 1-tailed test, so you just divide the 0.081 in half.
Okay. Okay, that makes sense.
Okay, there you go.
So what was the t-score?
The t...
That's negative 1.843, right?
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Do we leave the negative on there? Or
Yeah, I would leave it.
Okay, so negative 1.843. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I got that.
Yep. Okay, close out of those ands. No, I don't need this.
Is 98.220.
Okay. Now I need to type in these new answers. Cut. So... Okay, got them all typed in. Let me hurry and I'll hurry and run the t-test.
Wait, did we reject her?
Oh, we reject the null. And the test value is 40, right?
Yeah.
For the next one? Okay.
Yeah, I got 0.498.
What one are you talking about? Like what answer?
11.
11.
Yeah, so that means we failed to reject the null hypothesis if it's 0.498.
Let me look at the question.
So, while you guys have that up already, what are the lower and upper limits that you see on there? Never mind. Oh, yeah. So, when you guys rerun the test again, except for when you do it, click on options and type in a 95% confidence interval. And then, once you do that, then press submit, and then you'll get the upper and lower limits.
Yeah. So we need the upper and lower limits for the new data set. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Okay. So for 11, I got 0.995. That's what you got?
I got 0.498 because I divided it in half.
Okay.
I didn't know if I needed to, but I did.
These are values. Okay.
That looked right to me.
Yeah, that... I'm wondering if we needed to, like, I can't... It's hard to know if it was a 1-tailed or a 2-tailed. Yeah, So on 11, I'll write it down just so that we can make sure. Because if we divide it, I'm getting 0.50.
0.50?
Mm-hmm. For the p-value.
Still failed to reject the null hypothesis anyway, so that's what it sounded like.
But if the p... I'm wondering if it's 0.995.
I got 0.498. Because she says she divided it by 2. Did you do that, Cody?
Yeah. And I got... Because what I got 0.4975. And so I just decided to round it up to 0.50. But I don't know if that's right.
Well, it was 3 decimal places.
Okay.
My dog is barking at an imaginary...
Should we put in a couple different options and see what happens on that one? Okay. So I'll just put the 0.995 just to see. So then we fail to reject, and then 13 would be decrease.
That's what I got too.
So we would fail to reject the null hypothesis.
And then, while you still have that up, do you know what the upper and lower limits are?
I just go to analyze, descriptive, explore, right?
Yeah, make sure you change it to a 95% confidence interval.
Okay, 95%. Do we need percentiles?
No.
Okay. My dinosaur's working here. Okay, so for the lower bound, I got 23.498. So let's just round that to 23.5.
23.5?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then for the upper, 56.6.
56.6.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So I'm going to go ahead and submit it. I'll submit mine. Because the only question we really had was on 11.
Question 11.
Oh, we got 100.
Oh, yay! So it was 0.995.
Yep.
So it's 0.995?
Yep.
Okay. Well, thank you, Cody, for submitting yours first. What are you talking about? Sorry, step over here.
Did you all do good on that one?
Ask her. I don't know. She's upstairs. And it's happening like right now, so wouldn't she be coming down now? Yeah. Oh, but,
Perfect.
you would want me to figure that out then, I guess. Dude, you should think we need to. Sorry, my sister's talking to me.
That's okay.
Sorry, my family's talking.
It's okay. Did you submit it yet?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, good. Okay, good. Perfect. I'll see you guys, next Tuesday? Should we say 6 or 7 next Tuesday?
You should say 6 next Tuesday. It seems like you guys are available earlier.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know if I'm working next Tuesday. If I'm not, I'll join you guys. If I am, then...
Okay. The one thing about, I know Gabe emailed, did you guys get the email? It's like he has to work on Tuesdays, I think, until 10. Or he had to work last night until 10.
Uh-huh.
So
do we still want to do Tuesdays, or do you want to move it to Wednesday or Thursday? Either way, we would be fine.
yeah, Let's still shoot for Tuesdays.
Okay.
And then, like, if we have a problem, we can, like last night, like, if we struggle, we can meet on a Wednesday as well.
Okay. Works for me.
Perfect. You guys have a good evening. I hope you get feeling better.
Okay. Yeah. See you later.
and I'll upload this.
Okay.
All right, bye.